Hello, this is Quad 404 and we are going to demonstrate the working of GRASS, our web application developed for She the Force Hack for Sustainability Hackathon. Ascent to Sustainability Swing. Our goal is to curb the usage of plastic and other non-biodegradable waste by encouraging users to buy sustainable, eco-friendly products. When purchasing a product from our partner companies, the user can scan our QR code on the package using our application and earn rewards.
This is the running of our QR code generator. The first question it asks is how many QR codes do you want? This, as per company's requirement, we could give any number. Here, in this case, we'll give 5. Next it asks for the serial number. Here, we could give any serial number to begin with. For instance, 20. Now it is asking for the reward points that come along with the QR codes. So in this case, we could give any 2-digit reward points such as 40. These are the 5 serial codes which have been given, or the 5 QR code IDs which have been given to my QR codes. These show how my QR codes have been generated. This is how the final QR codes will look like. This, and this. And finally this. So eventually you could scan any of these, like pause the video and scan any of these QR codes. You will find the same serial numbers that you've been seeing in the running of the program. Thank you.
So first I'll go to the directory which has all my files and I'll run the following command: nodemon index.js. And as you can see, my server is running and my database is connected. I will then type localhost with my port number on my browser. And as you can see, we are redirected to the shop page. Here you have a bunch of products you can shop from. So if I click on any item, it redirects me to the particular page where I can purchase my product. Now I'm going to log into my account. You can either log in with Facebook, Google, or you can enter your email ID and password. If you don't have an account, you also have an option to sign up. So now I'm going to log in with Google. And here we have logged in and I can view my profile, where I can see my profile picture, my name, and the points and all my rewards. So now I'm going to show you how our QR scanner works. So you need to make sure you enabled access to your webcam. I have a QR code with me which I generated using the program we saw previously. And my proceed option has come here. So it takes me to my profile page and shows me how much points I've earned. Once I'm done using my application, I can log out and it takes me back to my shopping page.